Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, March 23rd. The time is around 1 a.m. GMT. So today we're gonna be looking at the chart of Microsoft. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see today the stock starts to rally. The rally also looks to be impulsive to me here. Look at this latest move here with clear extension over here. So that suggests that this rally right now is an impulse. So at least in the shorter cycle, we are looking for more upside due to the fact this is impulsive. Looking to eventually break above all this previous peak here. This one is in the form of a nice expanded flat here. You can see we have from this low that we label as with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal, then EBC expanded flat 335, and then now we are starting the next leg higher. The next bullish cycle could be in the wave 3 right now. So we still have to break above all this previous peak here to confirm, but judging by the fact of the move here, it looks like it's a new impulse, and most likely we're going to be able to break above it. In terms of the target on the upside, if you just simply measure 1, 2 over here from the starting point of the wave 1, and we're looking for at least 245.9, which is the 100%. It could potentially go higher to 256, which is the 161.8. Typically, as a guideline, is where wave 3 can end. Okay, so overall then we're looking for tips to continue to find support in the shorter cycle, and then for the stock to continue higher. Now if we look at the 4-hour time frame, so I'm placing these 2 in blue here and 1 and 2 in red over here in the 4-hour chart. So that means based on this count here, this is your wave 1 in blue, and therefore we are looking at continuation higher here, right? Eventually we're going to break above here, but we still have to break above this peak, which is the more important peak, the all-time high in Microsoft, 247, right? But if you look here again, if we can just simply reach the 100%, that will sort of almost retest the high, and thus I think it is more likely to be able to break above. Now as an alternate, if we fail to break above this all-time high here, this could be just an ABC, and the C leg again, guideline is reaching equal leg, right, as a guideline, but sometimes it does not. Sometimes it truncates, so it could be an ABC and then it failed to take this out and then starts to drop again like this. So that will be the alternate. Bottom line is this is really in the key level, and if we break above here, that will confirm that we have started a new bullish leg in Microsoft. But shorter cycle, if we just focus on the shorter cycle, looking at the latest move here, it looks impulsive. So I think most likely we can still, at least in the shorter cycle, continue to see further upside and a good chance to break above this previous peak here as well. And then the question is going to become whether we can break above this all-time high, which is more significant event if that happens. Alright, so that's the update here. And as always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.